subscribe, like and share.
Hello friends, let's learn about healthy and unhealthy foods. Pizza, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Unhealthy.
Egg, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Healthy.
Banana, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Healthy.
Burger, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Unhealthy.
Lollipop, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Unhealthy.
Seafood, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Healthy.
Pumpkin, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Healthy.
Ice cream, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Unhealthy.
Pineapple, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Healthy.
Corn, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Healthy.
Cotton candy, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Unhealthy.
Muffins, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Unhealthy.
Carrot, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Healthy.
Cake, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Unhealthy.
Vegetables, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Healthy.
Strawberries, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Healthy.
Meat, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Healthy.
Chocolate, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Unhealthy.
Candy, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Unhealthy.
Dessert, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Unhealthy.
Donuts, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Unhealthy.
Apple, is it healthy or unhealthy?
Healthy.
Healthy foods, they give us energy. They fight against viruses and microbes. They keep us healthy. Gives us immunity. Let's choose the healthy foods to stay safe and strong. Thanks for watching the video.